The 3C Release Manager is designed to bring speed, structure, and complete transparency to every step of your release process. It is built for teams working with Automic Automation who want to manage complex environments more efficiently and with fewer errors. In many teams, release cycles are slowed down by manual transports, inconsistent processes, and unclear version histories. The 3C Release Manager solves these problems by centralizing and automating the entire release workflow. It gives teams a reliable system where each step is structured, repeatable, and fully audited. With the 3C Release Manager, object transports between environments happen quickly, safely, and in a controlled way. The built-in diff tool lets you compare versions in seconds, making it easy to understand what has changed and why. Every user works with defined roles and personalized permissions, so only the right people can perform the right actions. Advanced pipelines allow scheduled backups, bulk changes, and deep scan validation to ensure that releases are consistent and free of hidden issues. The 3C Release Manager integrates seamlessly with GitHub and Bitbucket, making it easy to connect your Automic landscape to modern CI/CD workflows. This helps teams keep their version history clean, track every change, and support automated deployments with confidence. By reducing manual effort and increasing transparency, the tool helps teams deliver higher quality releases in less time. The result is fewer errors, faster delivery cycles, and a more predictable release process across all environments. To learn more or request a demo, visit tricise.com/3C Release Manager.